Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this pretty periwinkle blue type of color eyeshadow look. As I said in my other video, I wanted to do more colorful, bright makeup looks before the summer is out. So here it is, another one, and I hope you guys enjoy. I did use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I love that palette. I know I use it a lot, but it has all the colors that I like to use. But anyway. I first go in with the color Hunts and I apply that color a little above my crease. Then I go in with the color Jacz and I apply that to my crease, taking my time to build that color up and blend it out. Once that's done, I go in with the pretty periwinkle color called Twerk, and I pat that onto my lid. I also do a little bit of swiping as well. I go back in with the crease color Jacz to blend out the edges of the lid color. As I'm doing that, the lid color tends to blend away. So I just go back and forth between blending out the edges and packing on the lid color. And I keep doing that until it's to my liking. Then I apply a very thin line of eyeliner. As always, I apply my lashes off camera. I hit the bottom lashes with some mascara, and here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. Bye.